Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Infinity Plus. In this video, we'll walk you through the latest revised interest rates offered by the State Bank of India for savings bank accounts and fixed deposits. These changes were last updated on the 15th of July 2025, so let's dive right in. These are the revised interest rates for savings bank deposits. For savings bank deposits, the interest rates were last revised on the 15th of June 2025. The revised rate of interest is 2.5% per annum for all account balances. There are no account balance slabs for interest rate. These are the historical interest rates that were offered by SBI for savings deposits. Last offered interest rate was 2.7% for account balances below 10 crore rupees and 3% for account balances above 10 crore rupees. Now, the same is reduced to 2.5% per annum. The historical data is available from 2000. Overall, the rate of interest is in decreasing trend. Now we will walk you through the latest revised interest rates offered by the State Bank of India for fixed deposits. These are the interest rates offered for fixed deposits by SBI for various tenors for deposits below 3 crore rupees. The previous interest rate revision was done on 15th June 2025, and the latest revision is done in 15th July 2025. There is reduction in interest rates for 3 of the offered tenors. The changes are given in bold. Now, the highest rate of interest is offered for a tenor of 2 to 3 years. For senior citizens, an additional rate of interest of 0.5% is provided. Under SBI W.E.F deposit scheme, for senior citizens, an additional rate of interest of 1% is provided for tenor of 5 to 10 years. So, for senior citizens, highest interest rate is available for this tenor. These are the interest rates offered under non-callable term deposit, above 1 crore rupees to 3 crore rupees. Non-callable deposits are bank term deposits that restrict premature withdrawal, requiring funds to remain untouched until the maturity date, except in specific cases like the depositor's death or a court order. In return for this lack of liquidity, non-callable deposits offer higher interest rates compared to standard callable fixed deposits. They typically have a high minimum deposit requirement, often above 1 crore rupees, making them more suitable for large investors rather than small retail investors. For 1-year deposit, an additional interest of 0.3% is provided. For 2-year deposit, an additional interest of 0.4% is provided. In non-callable deposit also, additional interest of 0.5% is provided for senior citizens. There is a special specific tenor scheme, Amrit Vrishti, which has a tenor of 444 days. Rate of interest for this special tenor deposit is reduced from 6.85% to 6.6%. For this scheme, also, additional rate of interest is provided for senior citizens and super senior citizens. Under SBI patrons, additional interest rate of 0.1% is provided for super senior citizens. The SBI Green Rupee Term Deposit is a fixed deposit scheme offered by the State Bank of India to raise funds specifically for financing eligible green initiatives like renewable energy and sustainable projects. Following RBI guidelines, the deposits help support the bank's commitment to financing projects that are beneficial for the environment. This term deposit is available to resident individuals, non-individuals, and NRI customers for specific tenors such as 1111, 1777, and 2,222 days. The interest rate provided is 0.1% less than regular rates. Now, we will walk you through the latest revised interest rates offered by the State Bank of India for fixed deposits for 3 crore rupees and above. The previous interest rate revision was done on 15th June 2025, and the latest revision is done in 15th July 2025. There is reduction in interest rates for 3 of the offered tenors. There is a 1% penalty for premature withdrawal of fixed deposits of all tenors. SBI Green Rupee Term Deposit is available for 3 specific tenors of 1111, 1777, and 2,222 days at 0.1% below regular rate. Now, to summarize, for general public, the highest interest rate for term deposits below rupees 3 crores is offered for a maturity period of 2 to 3 years. For a special term deposit of 444 days, 6.6% of interest is provided, which is 0.35% more than the rate provided for the same period in the general term deposit, and 0.15% more than the rate provided for 2 to 3 years period in the general term deposits. For non-callable term deposits, 0.3% more interest is provided for a tenor of 1 year, and 0.4% more interest is provided for a tenor of 2 years. For senior citizens, the highest interest rate for term deposits below rupees 3 crores is offered for a maturity period of 5 to 10 years. For bulk term deposits above 3 crore rupees, the highest interest rate is provided for a maturity period of 1 to 2 years. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on finance and banking tips. If you have any questions or thoughts on the topic, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more videos on personal finance, latest updates on bank interest rates, and banking tips. Until next time, take care and keep saving.